Singing in the rain, what a glorious day. I am happy again. So, repeat after me. That's it. Let's go, everyone. Singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious day. Can't hear you. I am happy again. Okay, now. The first move is...
They have to sing louder.
Yeah, you have to sing louder. I have to hear you. The first move is raise up your hands and put your thumbs up. And sing. Singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious day. I am happy again. Okay. Next move. Put your arms up, thumbs up. And hands towards your chest and sing. I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious day. I am happy again. Okay, you know the moves. Hands up, thumbs up, hands towards you, and elbows up. And sing. Singing in the rain. Just singing in the rain. What a glorious day. I am happy again. Okay. You know the moves? Arms up, thumbs up towards you, elbows up, and you are bending knees a little bit. And sing. Singing in the rain. Just singing in the rain. What a glorious day. I am happy again. Okay. Let's go then. Take a rest. Take a rest a little bit. Let's go. Arms up. Thumbs up towards you. Elbows up. Bend your knees together. And you are. And sing it. Singing in the rain. Just singing in the rain. What a glorious day. I am happy again. Okay. Let's move on. Arms up, thumbs up towards you, elbows up, bend your knees, you're humping, and your bottoms goes the I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious day. I am happy again. Okay, ready for next move? Arms up, thumbs up towards you, elbows, knees, your bottoms out, and you are circling around you. I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious day. I am happy again. Okay, next move. Arms up, thumbs up towards you, elbows up. You bend your knees, bottoms out, and your knees together. And you are circling. I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious day. I am happy again. And now the final move. Okay. Arms up, thumbs up towards you, elbows, knees, bottom, knees. Your head is up. Your mouth are open all the time and you're singing.